Today we are taking a look at what I consider to be the best 60% pre-built keyboard on the market right now. This is the Kemove DK61. It features dedicated backlit RGB, PBT double shot keycaps, a hot swappable PCB with up to 4 different choices of switches, and wireless Bluetooth compatibility. There are so many qualities to this keyboard, which we will go into details within this video. This segment has been brought to you by our partners over at Banggood. To celebrate the holidays, they are having a promotional sale where you can purchase a variety of products from a list of different categories on sale right now for December. Check them out by clicking the link down below. Starting off with the unboxing, the unit comes factory sealed. You have specification details on the back of the box, while on the top side you have information for the switches contained with the keyboard. Removing the cover, we have a protective tray, which I highly recommend to keep. This is to prevent any dust buildup and to sustain the cleanliness of your keyboard overall. We do have 3 extra switches that comes with the box. It's nothing too crazy, it's just for those that might be interested in testing out some other switches. For the accessories, we have a braided angle USB Type-C cable to power the keyboard, and lastly, a keycap and switch puller. When it comes to the design, it's a 60% keyboard. This means that there are no dedicated keys for your F keys, navigation, arrow keys, and number pad. However, you're still able to access them by using keyboard shortcuts with the function key. The manual that comes included in the box displays all the shortcut combinations, and if you take a look at the typeface on the keycaps, you will notice that there are some combinations that are displayed for ease of access. I'll refer to them as secondary keys, meaning that you'll have to use the function button to activate them. Although the layout displayed can be useful, I feel that it ruins the entire aesthetic of the keyboard, making it look too cluttered. The material for the case is plastic all around, but has a thick build to it. The back has 4 rubber stops to keep the keyboard in place, and 2 flip-up feet for angle adjustments. The top side has toggles to switch between wired and Bluetooth, and another switch according to your operating system. The keycaps are OEM profile PBT double shot keycaps. As stated before, the typeface isn't too attractive. The overall clutter of the display offsets the appeal to me. However, if you can overlook that, it is good for stock keycaps. I do appreciate how they're translucent to help display the RGB of the keyboard. My keyboard came equipped with Gateron browns, and referencing back to the packaging, there are other variances to choose from such as Cherry Mex, Kale, and Kale box switches. But taking a look at Banggood's website, it appears that they only hold units with Gaterons for the time being. Since the PCB is hot swappable, you have the liberty of swapping them out for other switches without the need of soldering. As for the features, this keyboard has backlit RGB where you can cycle through various backlit modes. With N key rollover and anti-ghosting, you can execute more keystrokes quicker and accurately without worrying if they registered or not. You can toggle Windows shielding to lock the Windows key from activating during gameplay and other activities. You can even switch from wired to wireless Bluetooth mode and pair it up to 3 devices at a time. The keyboard supports both Windows and Mac, which you can toggle by using the switch on the top side of the keyboard. And since the board comes with a 3000 mAh battery, you can use this keyboard for several days before having to recharge it. There's not much to say about the performance aspects. I do enjoy using this keyboard to type and edit with. Considering that the PCB is hot swappable, I'm not limited to the switches that I want to use in case I want something with faster activation for gaming. Alright, wrapping things up here, I do consider this to be one of the best pre-built 60% keyboards that you can find right now. There are so many useful features with beautiful backlit RGB lighting, a hot swappable PCB with your choices up to 4 different switch variants, and a lot of other premium qualities all included within this keyboard. It is a good alternative to other 60% keyboards such as the Pro 2 and even the Ducky 1-2 Mini. Considering how simple it is to customize this keyboard, you can easily mod it by upgrading the switches and including some custom keycaps to have one of the best looking keyboards out there. This will conclude my review of the Kemove DK61. It's been a pleasure getting back into making keyboard videos again. If you made it to the end of this video, you the homie and I appreciate you. Thanks so much for watching and I hope to see you again real soon.